As the interest in and the capabilities of cell and gene therapies have increased over the last decade, the use of cells in various applications has expanded throughout drug development, biomanufacturing, and biopharmaceutical production, covering a wide range of disease indications. Cell culture media plays an important role in the production of cell therapy products, as it is used throughout the maintenance and expansion of patient-derived cells that can then be differentiated into the final therapeutic product. The rise of cell and gene therapies has developed in parallel with more rigorous regulation and safety controls. Good manufacturing practice, or GMP guidelines, represent a core aspect of these regulations. Set by national and international regulatory agencies, these GMP guidelines lay out the standards required and the protocols to follow to ensure that manufactured products meet high quality standards and are safe for patients. Therefore, utilising GMP-grade cell culture media is essential to ensure quality, safety, and ultimately the approval of the final cell product.